Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. First of all, we have to open the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the build number, thanks to which we will be able to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now all we have to do is to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. We can see this information, so we can go back to the general system, to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's localize the developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, so automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about updating your device, however, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can always turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.